Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be making a purple passion smoothie. It's going to be loaded with anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, that is the pigment found in your dark berries, blueberries, strawberries, and other purple foods. So I've got some purple cabbage that I got out of my garden. I also have purple pepper that I'm going to throw in this. Crazy, I know. And blueberries. So this is also going to be really nourishing for your skin, really great for digestive health. I have got some chocolate whey protein powder that I'm going to throw into this because I really love a little bit of boost in my smoothies to replenish protein. I had a really good workout this morning. So let's get started. The ingredients for this smoothie, I'm going to be using cucumber, an entire cucumber for hydration and lots of great vitamins and minerals. Banana, it's going to give me a little bit of my vitamin B and as well as more protein. Always I'm putting a lemon in my smoothies because lemon is so detoxifying, and the vitamin C from lemon is really great for your skin complexion. It's a great immune booster. For the liquid base of this smoothie, I'm just going to use water. I've got my water here. And then I want to make it green as well as purple, so I'm going to be using kale. So in terms of the amounts, I'm making two, one for me, one for my husband. So I'm going to use roughly 2 cups of my dark leafy greens. I'm measuring it by my hand, you know how I do, and I'm just going to toss it in there. Now, it's not very well pulverized yet, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend this for just a few minutes with a little bit of water. And the reason is because I want to make sure that my dark leafy greens are really well masticated. So I don't want big chunks of greens floating around. I want everything to be able to go through my straw. So we're just going to blend this on low for a second until it gets going. So you can see now it's starting to get going. Great. Once I've got my greens well mixed, then I can go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. So I've peeled the skin off of my lemon. I don't want the lemon rind in this. It's going to be too bitter. I am going to be also adding my banana. So I'm going to add 1 full banana to this recipe. Boom, it's in there. Cucumber. I didn't peel it this time because it came out of my garden and I know that there's no chemicals used on this. So, and then let's get those anthocyanins in there. I'm going to throw in a little bit of purple pepper. So these purple peppers are really beautiful. This is going to add a little bit of spice to the flavor. I love changing up the flavor of my smoothies by adding strange vegetables. But we're also going to be adding blueberries. So I'm going to do about 1/2 cup of blueberries here. And I'm measuring this by eye because I do this all the time, but you want to do about 1/2 cup. And then with the purple cabbage, similar, I'm gonna just chop the head off this. And then look at this gorgeous, deep, dark purple. That is what I'm going to be benefiting from the most from this, is the dark purple pigment in this purple cabbage. It's called anthocyanin. So, get that a little bit chopped up. You won't even taste the cabbage in this smoothie. You're gonna taste banana, and at the end when I add a little bit of protein powder, you'll taste that. So got that in there. Now I'm going to add the rest of my water, and I may even need a little more water. And then the very last ingredient, 2 ingredients actually, I have a little bit of frozen pineapple. I'm going to add just a bit of frozen pineapple in there to give it a little bit more sweetness. I know this is a crazy smoothie, and then at the very, very end, I'm going to do just 2 scoops of my chocolate whey protein powder. Whey is a dairy product. I don't usually use a lot of dairy, but that being said, I do like the whey protein powder. So let's blend this. Again, starting on a low speed, and then slowly building it up. See the color starting to change. This looks good. It started out green and now it's purple, and that's because of that really beautiful, deep, rich anthocyanin. So let's give it a taste. Always got to taste test everything. So amazing. All of those vegetables and everything that went into that. And what I taste in this is pineapple. A little bit of sweetness goes a long way. So grab the recipe below, grab the Balanced Bowl formula in the link below, and like this video and follow me for more recipes like this.